Welcome to 10th Standard Social Science Achievement Test 2. Lessons selected for Formative Assessment 2 are History 3 lessons, Political Science 1 lesson, Sociology 1 lesson, Geography 3 lessons, Economics 1 lesson, Business Studies 1 lesson. First main, 4 choices are given for each incomplete statements or questions. Choose the correct answer and write the complete answer along with its letter of alphabet. The Second Anglo-Mysore War came to an end by the Treaty of Madras, Mangalore, Srirangpatna, Salbai. Correct answer is option B, Mangalore. Back to Vedas was declared by Dr. Atmaram Panduranga, Mahatma Jyotiba Phule, Dayananda Saraswati, Annie Besant. Correct answer is option C, Dayananda Saraswati. Second main, answer the following questions in a sentence each. Where did the revolt of 1857 begin? The revolt of 1857 began in Barakpur. Who signed Panchashila Principles? Panchashila Principles were signed between Jawaharlal Nehru and Chou En-lai. Let's move to third main. Answer the following questions in 4 sentences each. Question number 5. List out the challenges faced by unorganized sector workers. Migration, social security, legal framework, child labor, physical and mental exploitation. These are the challenges faced by unorganized sector workers. Or, what are the characteristics of mountain soils? These soils are mainly found on the slopes of mountains and hills covered by forests. They are mostly formed due to the decomposition of organic matter. Hence, they are rich in humus and are fertile. They are useful for plantation crops, example tea, coffee and fruits. Question number 6. Explain the characteristics of mangrove forests. These forests are found in wet marshy areas, in river deltas and along the sea coast washed by tides. They are mainly found in the deltas of rivers on the eastern coast and in pockets on the western coast of India. The important trees are Rhizophora, canes, screw, pine, palm, sundari, etc. The tree trunks are supported by a number of stilt-like roots which are submerged underwater. These are the characteristics of mangrove forests. Fourth main, answer the following questions in 6 sentences each. What are the main aims of multipurpose river valley projects? To provide water for irrigation, to control the floods, to generate hydroelectricity, to prevent soil erosion, to develop inland waterways and fishing, to provide recreation facilities, to provide water for domestic purposes and industries, to reclaim land for agriculture. Afforestation. These are the main aims of multipurpose river valley projects. What are the key features of the Panchayat Raj system adopted in India? A three-tier structure of district, taluk and village panchayats with Grama Sabha as foundation, direct and periodic elections, reservation of seats for scheduled caste and scheduled tribes, backward classes and women, provision of major financial and administrative responsibilities, budget and audit requirements, provision for executive or support staff, a strict procedure for dissolution or suppression of panchayats and mandatory elections within 6 months of dissolution. Or write a note on Naresh Goyal. He is the founder and chairman of Jet Airways. It is India's largest domestic airlines under private sector. After his graduation, he worked in a travel business. By 1974, Goyal started to look after sales and marketing of foreign airlines in India. In 1917, Goyal took advantage of the open sky policy of Indian government and set up Jet Airways for operation of scheduled air service for domestic flights in India. Fifth main, answer the following questions in 8 sentences each. Explain the methods adopted by Kittur Chennamma to fight against the British. After the death of Shivalinga Rudra Sarja, Chennamma adopted a boy named Shivalingappa and started ruling Kittur as Queen Regent. Then Thackeray was the collector and political agent of the British in Dharwad. He sent a report to the governor of Bombay and attempted to take over Kittur kingdom. He attempted to take over the treasury and fort under his control. Chennamma prepared for the war. Meanwhile, the British also prepared themselves for the war. In the battle, Thackeray was shot dead. Many British were taken as the prisoners of war. The British attacked Kittur again under the leadership of Colonel Deacon. Chennamma attempted to flee from the battlefield, but she was captured by the British army. Chennamma and others were imprisoned at Bailangal fort. Queen Chennamma passed away in the prison. These are all the ways in which Chennamma fought against the British. Let's move to next question. Or make list of main aspects of Theosophical Society. This society was founded by Madam Blavatsky and Colonel H.S. Alcott. They established the head office of Theosophical Society at Madras. The main aim of the society was to do a comparative study of various religions, philosophies, and science. Another goal was to discover the indomitable spirit hidden in the human. It declared that universal brotherhood is important. The society took its basic principles from Veda, Upanishads, Sankhya Yoga, and Vedanta philosophy and spread these basic principles. The society attempted to find solution to present problem by studying the ancient Indian thoughts, philosophies and theoretical ideals. Hence the society basically tried for the reformation of Hindu religion. Interestingly, foreigners took more interest in this process. Sixth main, question number 10. Draw an outline map of India and mark the following in it. River Narmada, Hirakud. First one, A. River Narmada. B. Hirakud.